mess up. Follow-up. NetHunt Gmail CRM, Learning Hub, and sales experts are here with a video that'll give you the 3 golden rules of follow-up emails, how to follow up without messing up by using NetHunt CRM's email campaigns, and loads of follow-up email templates at the end of this video. Let's get growing. So let's lay down the law for following up. There are 3 things to remember before, during, and after you follow up. Before. Don't follow up less than 3 days after the original outreach. That's needy. In that time, you can do your homework on LinkedIn. Research the company, find the kingpins and their contact details, and think about which factors might influence them. This helps you better personalize your message. During. Keep it between 50 and 125 characters. They don't want your life story. This is all about getting your prospects' attention. In fact, the subject line is arguably the most important part of your email because it helps you stand out in their inbox. After. 80% of sales require up to 5 follow-ups before they close, but 45% of sales reps give up after just 1. Don't be afraid to follow up the follow-up. Keeping an eye on email metrics from email marketing software helps with this. Open rates and click-through rates can tell if your original follow-up and link have been opened or not. Stay tuned to find out how to do that. Without a doubt, the easiest way to follow up email is with a CRM. NetHunt offers users the opportunity to create fully customizable email campaigns and track the performance of individual emails with insights into views and interactions. So, I want to follow up a previous email campaign I sent out. Specifically, I want to send out a follow-up to those who opened my last email but never replied. To find out who didn't read my last message is simple. We can filter different recipients' behavior in the original email campaign window. I slide the eye to opened and the arrow to not replied. That filters in all the customers I want to follow up with. From there, I can exclude all the users who unsubscribed in the previous email and start composing my follow-up. It's probably the best idea to add some urgency to this one. Offer ends tonight. After sending your follow-up campaign, all the emails get linked to the client's record in your CRM dashboard. Boom! Easy. Now, the part you've been all waiting for. It's template time. Here are 5 follow-up templates based on different follow-up scenarios. After a quote that never received an answer. Finding the kingpin. After meeting at an event. After a call. The last resort. Following up can be a pain. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the following up is the most important thing you can do as a salesperson, how important would you rate effective following up as a part of your sales strategy? And why? If you would like to get a complete guide on how to follow up correctly and loads more templates, download our free ebook following the link in the video description. That's your lot. Check out the next video about how a Gmail CRM can help your business grow. Like, comment, subscribe, NetHunt over and out.